Welcome, my Achitam family. How are you? So, let's see how will be the August month for Capricorn. Okay. So, my dear Capricorn, how will be your August month? Let's check. Archangel Michael, Guardian Angels, Radhe Krishna, Positive Ancestors, Govidada, Malalita, help me. Thank you. Thank you. Hare Krishna. Temperance, King of Cups, the Two of Swords, Three of Cups, Two of Cups, Knight of Pentacles. Okay. Hmm. Let's take your guidance also. Okay. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Okay. Okay, I have got the. So, Capricorns, something is ending with you. The bottom of the deck is the cycle stops with you. Okay. You have to do something in your life. Okay, that your ancestors prayed for. You may be the generational breaker, something that is going in the loop, going in the pattern in your generation. You have to break that. See, Page of Swords. You are fighting for that, and you are restless because of this energy. You are restless. Something is ending, and something new is forming. See, uh, see, both the card is there. Three of Swords, Two of Cups. Okay, so it might be that your major cycle, okay, major cycle is completing. In terms of Capricorn, it connect to the Saturn energy, okay, the Saturn in the Revati nakshatra. So I'm just linking to that, but because something is ending, you are in the middle of the two roads. In the middle of the two roads, you are patient, and you know what, because of this energy, okay, you are facing so much. You are facing betrayal, hurt, heartbreak, okay, or divorce, something might it be. So still you are patient, and still you are like finding purpose behind that. You are not that kind of person, that you are finding some purpose behind this. And because of this energy, because of this yours energy, universe is giving new love to you. Okay, universe is giving you partnership towards you. So some new mutual connection might come towards you. Okay, and this connection can be so much addicted. Okay, so temptation new. So because of your work, new responsibilities coming towards you. Okay, even in this bad condition, okay, even in this bad environment, new uh, productivity is coming towards you, new work is coming towards you. You might find doing something new in this month of August, and you will find victory. Okay, you will find progress in that area. This month is something new, about new starting. Okay, and ending of the old ones. This month is. So let's see what are your guidance. Okay, your guidance is release the soul burden. So whatever the burden you have, okay, whatever the burden you have, okay, whatever the hurt you got, you have to release it. Okay, and you see, you might be carrying in silence. You might be still in being patient. Okay, see, what you carry in silence still shapes your path, and that's why I'm saying, see, whatever hurt you are getting, now still you're patient. Okay, and because of this patient, you are getting new love, new opportunities. Okay, you are getting new opportunities, and you are emotionally balanced in this month. Being emotional balance in this kind of situation is very difficult. So what I'm seeing, that you are spiritually evolved soul. Okay, and you are learning from the pain. Okay, and you know this pain has some purpose behind it. So but still, some kind of Capricorns, if you are not learning from the pain, the angel guide you that take the pain as a catalyst for the change and allow it to transform it, the pain, into the wisdom, okay, and the growth. So next guidance is elevate your energy. Your energy determine your reality. Lift your vibration and world your switch. World your watch your world switch. Okay, lift your vibrations and watch your world shift. I can see from these cards that you are the spiritual soul. Okay, which that know that this is the purpose behind something big new, and you are elevating your energy with that spirituality. Okay, with the one, not everything need to be fixed right away. Some healing begins when you're willing to stay with what hurts. Okay, so you are not fixing it and you're not going to fix it. You are that kind of person. Even if it hurts, you will sit patiently, and because you sit patiently, healing begins. Okay, and you are in your healing, you are in your transformation phase. Okay, because you're elevating your energy. Capricorns, something is changing in your life, something is changing and something new is coming towards you. Professional as well as love, both is coming towards you. When you attract and when you are in the high vibrational energy, you attract love, okay, as well as you attract money. So, yes, these are your energies, Capricorn. If you resonate with my readings, please comment. And thank you for watching. Radhe Krishna.